Well, it turns out I am a massive moron. But on the bright side, I have found a new calling in life. I want to be a salaryman.
私はサルゴスです。
Welcome everybody. Konbanwa. It's actually quite late right now. Again, I have done the procrastination stuff, but I have some interesting tidbits anyway. I've gone off the deep end on procrastination so hard, I think I've invented a new term, which is themed procrastination. So I've not done what I was supposed to do, but in a way I have done things adjacent to it in a way that I may have, like by osmosis, kind of done something anyway. So I haven't made a lesson for myself to myself in Japanese. I have spent, I don't want to put a number on this, but let's say 10 plus hours watching Japanese culture stuff, and much of which I will not mention because I don't have the chutzpah to do so quite yet. I need to ease into it and hopefully grow out of it and then never talk about it again. On that note, I think I've also found this idea that you are probably not familiar with Juicebox Hero, the game, unless you've been with exactly yours truly or 4 or 5 other people and heard it from them. That's about it. Juicebox Hero is a game where you look at a menu and you order your friend's food or beverage and vice versa. It's I do you, you do me. That doesn't sound right, but okay, you get the gist. So because of my massive drowning in Japanese culture over the last few days, and some of it quite shady, mind you, I think I would like to do Juicebox Hero with someone for an activity, not just a beverage or a meal. Like actually paying for someone else's experience, I don't know, half an hour of something that they would never do on their own. Because if I can do that, then my last 2 days of being a otaku general has not been in vain. So hopefully that's something we can do. Beyond that, I did kind of start part of a lesson where well, in the previous video, I went through the different written languages of Japanese. The thing is, those aren't that beneficial, and you can use like Google Lens or DeepL or whatever translation device you want to use, and kind of get by if you're in Japan. Just point your sumaho on something, and it'll just show whichever language you want at like 40% accuracy, but that's fine. You can live with that. So I'd much rather spend my time learning when to use the appropriate phrase, when this word is not frowned upon, let's say, and yeah, just how it works communicating day to day. And I haven't done enough of that for sure. And my Japanese is so bad, if I try to communicate with someone who speaks Japanese, they won't even understand that I'm talking to them, I fear. So I have to start somewhere. So I did like this short video. It's basically a collection of stills where I'm making food. And first, when you see food, you can go, "Ah, oishiso," or something like that, meaning looks tasty. And then you can go to the next level, which is, if I have it in my glorious book here, after oishiso. Book, don't die. Oh, I made a huge mistake. Never mind all that. Next, you are about to push the meal into your mouth somehow. You can say itadakimasu, which basically is a blessing to high heavens for the food you're about to receive, hope not to die, etc. And then, when you are eating, you say, Oishi desu. Or just oishi. Which is like, as I understand it, a very common thing. You say that no matter what the food tastes like. It's just part of a don't be rude when you're eating. Oishi desu. Just, it's safe. Yeah. And then after that, when you're finished with your meal, as you can see here, this is what can happen. You can say, Gochisu sama deshita, which means thanks for this meal I have received. Those are 4 levels of sort of expected politeness during just the simple art of eating. But this is what I realized. Beyond saying hello, goodbye, piss off, well done, all I'm gonna do in Japan is eat and be amazed. So I don't need that many words. I think I can get by with, 30 to 50 on like 90% of the trip. So I'm approaching this from a different angle now. Anyway, I think that's it for today because there's a short Japanese lesson following. And I'll post these vlogs more frequently and they'll have tidbits of Japanese, not this lesson thing, which is just making me do all kinds of stuff that I cannot possibly get myself to talk about on this vlog. So try as much as you can to enjoy Sargoth does Japanese DuoLingo stuff. Yane. All right, then let's knock another one out. So we're back to the start. So I've done about 4. Order food. Fudo. Good. This will be fine. And I've no doubt messed up the sound again. Come on. That's close. How do I press this? Gohan? What am I doing? Oh. I shouldn't watch through the delay on the lens. Stupido. Gohan? Where are you at, buddy boy? Gohan. Yes. Gohan, mizu. Maybe. Gohan. Maybe this is a little too easy. Ocha. To. Gohan. Kudasai, boys. Hey, that's my line. Okay. Whoa, no. Gohan to misu kudasai. No. Misu. Okay. Yeah, Gohan to sushi this time. Kudasai always. It's water and green tea. I can order 2 things now. It's rice and sushi. It's rice and green tea. A little repetitive, this stuff. I do declare. That's a lesson done though. 2 minutes, fine. Don't I also have another crying owl somewhere? Mochi kanji. This will be a disaster. N4. I'm definitely not doing N4. I can't do N5. Where is please hold my hand, Mochi? I'm a scared little Norwegian. Yeah, okay, fine. Downloading? Just give me the pain. I know. I've known this word? Yeah, I've known it for quite some time. Anohito. Anohito. I feel like I should know that. Oh, ano as in over there. Okay, right. That person, Anohito, check.
あの人
March green, good. Oh, I'm kanjiing.
あの人
Yeah,
あの人
that person. Over there.
あの人
Yes, yes.
教師
Kyoshi. Kyoshi. Don't know. What? Where's Sensei? Okay. Yeah, Kyoshi.
教師教師教師
Right, fine. Updating golden time? What fresh hell is this? Oh, I get 1 silver star and a small orange line. You need 95 more words. This is very depressing. Okay. Thank you for joining my first mochi kanji lesson. Now I'm just scared and sad. Bye.